Welcome to our Sanjivani Sainik School and Junior College, Sahajanand Nagar,
Good morning,
Kopargaon.
students. Today
Subject General Science, lesson number 5, Substances in the surroundings, their states and properties. Next point of the lesson, that is boiling. When water is heated, its temperature gradually rises. At the same time, process of evaporation take place. With the increasing temperature, the rate of evaporation becomes faster. Second point about boiling. If water is continuously heated at 100 degrees Celsius, we can see bubbles rising faster and faster. Evaporation takes place from part of the body of water. This is called boiling point of water or ebullition. Boiling point of pure water is thus 100 degree Celsius. Next point of the lesson, that is condensation. Let us study what is condensation. Upon cooling, the vapor turns back into liquid state. This process is called condensation. The temperature at which condensation takes place is called condensation point. For pure water, condensation point is also 100 degrees Celsius. The boiling point and condensation point of water is one and the same. Students, let's try this activity. Take some water in a beaker and place thermometer in it. Heat the beaker on a spirit lamp. Note the boiling point of the water. Repeat the same activity by adding salt or sugar to the water and note the boiling point again. What will we observe? After addition of salt and sugar in the beaker, the boiling point of water will increase because addition of sugar or salt results in decrease in vapor pressure of water, so it increase boiling point of water. Next point of the lesson, that is freezing. The water kept in a fridge or on ice becomes cooler and cooler. That is, its temperature falls. At a certain temperature, water does not get any cooler but starts freezing and forms ice. The temperature at which this happens is called the freezing point of a water. Let us study some more information about freezing. Conversion of liquid state into solid state is called freezing. The temperature at which the freezing occurs is called freezing point. Water freezes into ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the freezing point of water or pure water is 0 degree Celsius. The temperature inside a freezer is negative 18 degrees Celsius or minus 18 degree Celsius. Let us study about melting. When the substance changes its solid state into liquid state, then it is called melting. When substances changes its solid state into liquid state, then it is called melting. Look at this picture. In this picture, ice gets melted to form a water. The temperature at which melting of substance occurs is its melting point. Freezing point and the melting point of water is same, that is 0 degree Celsius. Freezing point and melting point of water is 0 degree Celsius. Next part of the lesson, boiling, condensation, freezing and melting. First point, each substance has a specific boiling point which is the same as its condensation point. Second point, each substance has its specific melting point which is the same as its freezing point. Third, the temperature at which a substance boils while heating is the same as the temperature at which it condenses when it is cooled. Similarly, the temperature at which substance freezes while cooling is the same as the temperature at which it melts when it is heated. Student, let us study this chart. The chart given below shows information about boiling point and freezing point of substance like candle, plastic and iron. See, candle freezes at 60 degrees Celsius and boiling point of it is 350 degrees Celsius. Plastic more than 250 degrees Celsius and here boiling point is 954 degrees Celsius. Iron 1535 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 2862 degrees Celsius. Let us study some of the uses of changes of the state of the substances. First, paraffin wax is melted and the candles are made of molten wax. Second, dry ice, that is solid carbon dioxide, is used in ice cream preparation and to keep it in frozen state. In animal husbandry practices to keep the sperms alive, liquid nitrogen is used. Glass is made from molten silica. Ornaments are made by melting gold and silver. Tools are made from molten iron. Thank you.